everything starts to change, you can trust that I will stay the same.
Men, this is for you. On the 28th of April, I would personally like to invite you along to our next Courageous Men event. It's going to be a fantastic evening. We're going to have food, we're going to have a film, we're going to play some games together, and we're going to have some discussion as well. It's going to be a really, really great evening. There's some forms at the back of the room which you can pick up on your way out of church today, or you can call the office and there you can fill that form in, bring it back to us so that we can register you and order the food that you want on the night. It's going to be £10, but that price covers everything. And actually, if you buy one ticket, you can have another one half price for a friend. So that is a bargain. So please put that date in your diary, 28th of April, and get your form filled in, get it back to us ASAP so that we can get you booked in for that Courageous Men's event.
Whenever trouble comes my way,
if you're new to the Christian faith, or you just want to find out a little bit more about what it's all about, then we've got a course starting on the 10th of May that is just for you. We'd love you to come along to the Discovery course. It's going to run across 3 Thursday evenings at 7:30 p.m. And if you're interested in coming along, finding out more about what we believe here at Excel Church, then get yourself to one of our leadership team or to one of the welcome team, and they'll get you registered with Ingrid, who will be running the course, and that's starting on the 10th of May. Our usual Friday activities are taking a break for Easter, and they're not going to be back until the Friday, the 20th of April. So that's G-Force 180 and Noah's Ark back on the 20th of April. On Sunday the 22nd of April at our 6 p.m. service, John Raj is going to be sharing his testimony and telling us all about how his life has been completely transformed by the power of God. So why not come along and join that and bring a friend along too. That's 6 p.m. on the 22nd of April. John Raj is telling us his story. That's everything for Church News. We hope you have a great week, and we'll see you back next Sunday for some more.